Alright guys, I look mad. I need to take out them up there stuff out of my hair. I need to get my hair done. Alright, anyways, I am going to be cooking some curry chicken back today and some provision with cornmeal dumpling. As I said before in the video this morning, I will be cooking today. I'll be in the kitchen. So guys, I'm asking you to like up the video, share out the video, and first of all, please guys, I'm asking you to subscribe. Me look mad, not you? I'm asking you to subscribe. I'm going to take out these out of my head Monday and try to get something else done to my hair. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm at 39 subscribers. I'm asking you, please, 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 please subscribe. Help me to reach 1,000 subscribers to be able to get monetized. All right, as you can see, I have my chicken back. And sorry, the chicken back them all in fat. Alright guys, so that's the chicken back that I'll be cooking. Look what I'm getting a chicken back. It's a hip. It's a hip in a chicken back. I'm not put no chicken in there. See, they're all of them are chicken backs. Piece of hip. See, the piece of hip coming in there. Also, them a chicken back, you see. A Jamaica now, they would have sell them a kind of chicken back, you for best dressed chicken back. And give you the little maga tough one where they don't have no flesh pan. When you start eat it tear out the whole of your jawbone. I never usually chicken back on time at Jamaica enough for real because no meat in the pan it. But since we come up here in America and back up there in chicken back here, I tell you, say, I one of the best chicken back them me see. Me know the best dressed one in Jamaica, they was so really expensive. Really expensive. So here I have my provision. My son just bring home my watermelon from work. And these are my provision. I got dasheen, I got my sweet potato, I got my white yam, and I got my pumpkin. And I'll be also cooking cornmeal dumpling also. You know, yeah. So guys, stay tuned while I season up this meat. I'm going to season up the meat off camera. So as soon as I finish season the meat, and I'm going to put it back in and go put it in the pot, put it on the fire and start cooking. Then I will show you guys what going to be taking place. So alright, stay tuned, stick around and come back while I get my meat cleaned up and seasoned up. Alright guys, I already cut up the meat. I already seasoned it up. Remember I telling you that I was going to season it off camera. So I already did the season for that. So first, I'm going to cut my pepper. If you don't like spicy, you're not Jamaican. I don't mean singer spice, you know what I mean? Like hot spice. Then I put the whole pepper in it. Because I don't want it too hot. Watch out if you not do it. You hold knife and fork. Hold me. Alright. So that's it like that. Keep it over it. Keep it over it. Alright. I'm gonna add in the curry. I don't know open. Guys, my son cook curry the other day. I use a masala. Not use turmeric. I say masala, turmeric. And the meat tastes good. I said the turmeric, we never did not say so the turmeric tastes nice. The turmeric tastes good for the food, may I tell you. Tastes really good. Alright, so let me turn off the stove. Let me turn off the stove. So now I turn the time back and and have the curry burn with the pepper. The curry burn with the pepper. So, I don't like when my curry black. Some people burn it until it black. I don't like it when it burn till it black. Because I don't like a shade where you give me when it burn. So I burn it to an extent. Burn it to an extent. We will burn it to an extent. Burn it. They say, I want to catch a dance with young Miami, you know. They say, spin that shit. 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 I want to learn this song so it look bad. I love this song. I first Yankee song me ever see when me love so. Me say, I first Yankee song me ever spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Me say, I love this song. When me the young guy, and I got primary school, and then I got high school, I have my first picnic. Oh dear God, me still flexible and can dance and can bubble, but no. I think more than I get old. My bones are getting old. Let me get this sticker. More than I get old, guys. Alright, make more story. That's in that. Make another story in that in that. That in that. Why I told you chicken back fat so till you can't fat no more. If I don't talk to your chicken back, I cook you no know. Oh, the chicken back fat. Alright. So I cover it up and make it go on. You know, produce its own water. So, I put the cover on it. So, meanwhile that all go on, I go set on the pot to put on the provision plus the dumplings. This I need to go and do it. So, I wash out my pot. It's clean, but I wash my pot all the time for me now. You don't know if bug take my time and run over there. So, wash out my pot. You know how long I not come in the kitchen come cookies like this? Very long time. I not come in the kitchen come cook. I need to start jump back around in the kitchen, man. Trust me. I need to start jump around in the kitchen. One time I did love cooking, you know. One time I did love cooking. No day my part time I not cook. No day. Alright, now so I get the water and put it on the other side of the stove and need my flour and put it on. I said spend that shit. Spend that shit. Spend that shit. Hey. I said my son will want technique. I mean, I will show you the technique when you teach me. Alright? I will show you the technique. So I'm going to add my kosher salt. This is the only salt that I could use because of my allergy. So I start use kosher salt. When I use the sea salt, it's me scratch and burn my mouth and swell up my lips up. Alright. See it? I turn down the stove. And you see it? It have its own water I cook it. The own water cooking it. You say what? If the water rich? Have your own water. Alright guys, I am back. My plate wash up and everything, kitchen clean. So I'm gonna be doing some sorrel drink today. So I'm gonna put the I'm gonna boil the ginger, and then afterwards I'm gonna put the sorrel in the boiling water to draw to make the sorrel drink. You know, from when we have them sorrel here from December. But you know, sorrel is something like it's like a hibiscus flower. So basically nothing I go do them. They could stay as long as possible. And not even have an expiration date on it, just to show you that nothing do them. You understand? So now have no expiration date on it. So I go wash the ginger and then put them in the pot. Put the ginger in the pot and make the ginger go and boil in the pot. So I ginger them here. I get them from Walmart yesterday. A good amount of ginger, so one piece and one next piece. I'm gonna use most of what in the bag because I want the ginger to really taste inside of the juice. But that's all, I think we're gonna use everything. I don't want the ginger to strong. You see when you do curbside, sometimes they kind of something you know do curbside with because the people them who are pick it up, they associate them with their Walmart, they might pick up it sometimes, they pick up anything and just throw it, then and just give it to you. You understand? So look for this ginger, you know. But anyway, good, but it look like it's almost a spoil. But I'm gonna use it because not really do it like that. But when you come on to fruits and like vegetable, you're not sending in a curbside. You know do curbside really because then show each and anything here when you do curbside. Alright, so I'm gonna beat the ginger in a Ziploc bag. And then we pour it inside of the pot. So I'm gonna wash my ginger. I'm gonna be washing my ginger. I'm gonna wash my ginger. So I'm not gonna beat all of them like one. I'm gonna beat a few of them, throw in. Put them in the pot and then. So after I do that, I'm going to show you how it looks in the pot. Alright, so I'm done wash the ginger. I wash the ginger. Hamite. Alright, so I'm going to put 3 pieces in there. So I'm going to go beat it. So I'm going to pour this in the pot. I'm actually beat already. I'm going to show you everything. Just to put over so my cameraman asleep. Cameraman asleep. my mother.
And for the rest of the week, I'm your mother.
Behind. Really?
Yep.
I hear you.
So you have to call my name every time if you need me. Alright?
Yeah, my mother for the rest of the week.
Yes. If you still want me to call your name, you have to call my name. And all that stuff in your room is my stuff, okay? Now, what are you cleaning up right now?
These are called ginger.
Ginger. What's ginger?
It's a spice. It's kind of spicy like pepper.
Like hot sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, I see that ginger. Why are you smashing it up?
Because I'm gonna boil it in some water
So it's gonna be even spicier?
and use it to make a drink.
Huh?
And use it to make a drink.
I don't want to.
Alright, so that's all of my ginger. That's all of the ginger. So I already turned the stove on. So I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse of how the ginger look in the pot. Alright? So the stove is on. So that's the ginger in the pot. So that's the ginger right there. I already turned on the pot. And there is a sorrel. There is a sorrel, so yeah. So anytime I'm about to put the sorrel inside the pot when the ginger boil in a way that I want it to, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to do it by throwing the sorrel inside the pot. So stick around, stay tuned, do not go anywhere, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay? Alright. Alright guys, I'm gonna be see the ginger, butter ginger. It boiled up. So not you mama. So I'm gonna be throwing the sorrel in there. Alright, so see, I'm gonna make it boil for a little bit, then I turn the stove off. See, start get the redness from it already. Start get the redness from it. Yeah. So yes guys, so that's my sorrel. I'm gonna let it boil up. I cannot turn down the stove, so I'm gonna let it stay there and just, you know, draw for a little bit, then I turn it off. Alright?